Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the witch hat in Avatar world. If you guys want to add some magic to your wardrobe, witch hat is the ultimate accessory for your spooky role plays, magic, school adventures, or just looking iconic. And through this video, I'm going to show you exactly where this hat is hidden. So first, you just need to go to this movie set building, this one in here. And now I've already on the movie set, and you can just go right in here until you see this wardrobe or this walk-in closet section, and you'll easily spot the witch hat. Just put it on, and just like that, you'll get the witch hat for your accessory. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.